India is endowed with vast water resources under floodplain wetlands, especially in the eastern and northeastern part of the country. The country has huge potential for increasing fish production from wetlands, but the resources are underutilized. Wetlands are under threat due to water pollution, siltation, and waste disposal. In addition to that, during the past few decades, the country has witnessed considerable change in climate with increase in temperature, erratic rainfall, and occurrence of extreme events.
All of us are aware of the problem of climate change and climate variation over these years. So the adaptation strategies that Institute has taken with installation of pen culture in wetland is a significant step.
The impact of climate variability on wetland fisheries includes change in habitat, aquatic biodiversity, fish yield, dominance of exotic species, etc. These factors have negatively impacted the livelihood of larger community of fishers. Therefore, adoption of climate resilient strategy is essential to cope up with impending threats of climate change to wetland ecosystem and fisheries.
ICR Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, Baratpur, is celebrating its 70 years, that is Platinum Jubilee years, commemorating. In this year, a project is funded by ICR under NICRA, which studied the climate changes across the country in the inland sector, in which we are installing the pen culture this year in 4 wetlands across the country to study the impact of small indigenous species in the reservoirs wetlands. Further, it will increase the livelihood and economic income of the fishers that are dependent upon these wetlands and wetland associates, different water bodies.
Under National Innovations in Climate Resilient Agriculture Project, ICS CIFRI initiated demonstration of climate resilient adaptation strategy for conservation and enhancing fish production in the selected floodplain wetlands. Location-specific modification have been done in pen and enclosure structure. The minimal bamboo and maximum only net composition of pen or enclosure will facilitate better water exchange and reduce input cost. Height of pen has also increased to prevent escapement of stocked fish during peak monsoon or flooding. Stocking of commercially important fishes like Labio rohita, Gibellion catla, Sirenus mrigella, and locally important indigenous fish species like Labio bata, Sirenus reba, Amblypharyngodon mola, Puntia sarana, Podusia chapra, Ompok pabda in climate resilient pen system will promote livelihood and nutritional security of the fishers.
We know that our country is blessed with a vast area of floodplain wetland resources, which is distributed to the tune of around 0.5 million hectare and it is distributed in northeast and eastern parts of the country. And in the second phase of NICRA, we are trying to adapt the climate resilient adaptation strategy by installation of this kind of pen infrastructure. And the species which is vulnerable or threatened, so we have stocked in this pen so that the species can be conserved, and then the livelihood security of the fishers is ensured.
In order to popularize this, ICS SIFRI is conducting sensitization workshop and awareness camps for climate resilient fisheries in wetlands and demonstration of climate resilient pen system in potential wetland areas.
मैं आपको यहाँ 1 करोड़ निकाल के दे दी जाएगा। ये मेरा बात है। करना है तो जुनून करिए, जोत उठाइए, हम करेंगे, इसको देंगे, इससे नहीं लेंगे। ये सोचिए।
Appropriate implementation of adaptation, mitigation, and management strategies would bring community empowerment in the face of climate change vulnerability.